Okay, today I'm going to prepare burgers wrapped in lettuce and russet potato fries. This is my first time with russet potato, so I'm not sure it will be good for the first time, but we'll see. So I think I'm going to start with the oven. And this one is let's go with bake 425 start. Yeah, preheating the oven. And now it's time to cut some potatoes. Not sure about the shape. Maybe this one is. Let's do that. Maybe this one is good. Like that. I mean, it seems a little bit. It seems big to me, but I'm not sure. Maybe cut in half. This way. I already washed the vegetables, so I don't have to do it right now. Just full concentration on cutting. Maybe a little bit here, like that. Is it enough? I think it's enough. It's always hard to say. Potatoes. I use 2 potatoes, so maybe that's good. We want to reduce carbs, so new olive oil. And I think like 1 tablespoon. I'm adding salt too here, like that. I'm not sure. Is it the right way to do it? Pre-oven, I'm not sure, but still do it. And a little bit of stir, but I need some fork. Oh my god. Let's put it here. Well, I realized I didn't need that the fork because right now I'm using my hand, so yeah, my logic. It was a unnecessary step to grab the fork, but whatever. Okay, so I think I have enough potatoes for us because reducing carbs. And now it's time to wait for the oven, that's for sure. But it's time to take care of lettuce. And I need maybe this one. I will leave that because maybe I use it for next fries, like an hour or something. But it's time to take care of lettuce. So the idea here is to remove the core very carefully. My first time, so I'm not sure what I'm doing. But I think I'm good here. And place it in a bowl of water, like cold water, to carefully remove the leaves. I guess that was the idea. So I'm pouring cold water into the bowl of lettuce. I think the bowl should be bigger, but this is the biggest bowl I have. So this one goes here. Yeah, this is a new setting. It's temporary. Like everything in my life. Okay, no kidding. Well, that's... So I think the idea is to be very careful with the leaves because you need them to wrap the burger. There's my... So I'm super careful. Oh, whoa. It's just... Whoa, it's like a one leaf or what? And it's not easy to do it, this one leaf. Well, this lettuce is super delicate to deal with. I think I'm going to leave that crunchy part here and just place it like that for my burgers. And I'm here for like 3 burgers. What about the oven? No, it's 165. So I need to wait more time. I need more time for the oven to be ready. And what I'm doing here, it's just... But it's like a puzzle here, you know? Yeah, this one's like... Oh, yeah, it looks like I need a really big bowl to do it probably. Look at this, what's happening? The water is here. Oh, man. So I need to remove that water because it's next to us here. Okay, and this one, let's do it like that. You see, it's... Yeah, you see the reason for the bigger bowl right now? Because it started to be challenging right there. Oh, it's like a game, you know? Oh no, I just missed one spot, and the lettuce cracked. Like 2, 3 leaves, but you need more. Right now it's really challenging to remove the leaves because I have no idea what I'm doing right now. Just this is the same or this is another layer, and layer 2, because it looks deceptive. Oh no. Okay, looks good. So I place it here. I'm gonna decide, should I place it like that or both ways, you know? That's a mystery for me. Yeah, this is... Oh man, this is challenging. Oh, like that. I'm not sure about the way I'm going to proceed with burgers. That's why I place lettuce leaves here, like that, and some will be here. Oh. Oh no, crack. I cracked the layer. I think I'm going to speed it. Out of desperation. The rest of it's starting to look like small, maybe for a different dish. So I'm not going to use the rest of this lettuce for burger wraps, but only these leaves. Crunchy. But I still need to. What about the temperature? 261. So I'm going to come back in 5 minutes to make sure the oven is ready. Okay, so I'm back, and I'm going to place this into the oven, like that. And where is the timer here? Oops, sorry. And I'm going to use like 20 minutes, and then we'll start. Does it work? Start. Okay. And now it's time for burgers. So I think the easiest way would be to place burgers here onto the plate. So 1, 2. I don't need that. Oh, 2, and oh whoa, I wasn't careful, and one of the burgers like this. Oh, it's cracked. I'm super hungry too. Yeah, place it here for a while because I'm not sure I'm going to use that. By use that, I meant to use the kind of counting calorie services, you know, that's why I need the package to scan it. I use the old buttons, so you can just push it, and here it touch screen, it's like, sometimes it doesn't work because of your finger's temperature, the temperature of the finger. Oh man, I cannot do that. So frustrating. Oh, okay, now it's working. So I'm going to use that biggest, I mean the one in the middle, okay, and wait like for 3 minutes to warm up the pan. And I think I'm going to use some olive oil, a little bit as a surface, and just place the burgers here on the frying pan. And I don't think there's something like, looking for a spatula for burgers, but what's this? I'm just curious, what's that? I mean, it looks like a pizza slicer, but this one is like a regular one. What about this one? It's confusing, so I need to learn how to use it. Super curious. If you know how to use this tool, just let me know in the comment. I appreciate that. Oh, I think this one is for burgers. Yeah, this one. I'm not a big fan of silicone tools. I don't know, but just me. So I'm waiting for another, what's there, 1 minute and 50 seconds to do here. Oh, I have the same one. Actually mine is like without this, I guess. Yeah, this is like an improved version. Mine is without the insert here. Maybe this one is better, because just, wow, more secure probably with the seats. What else we have here? Oh, this one is for knife sharpener. And yeah, this is some kind of, I think this one is for wine. And this one is for, I guess, pineapple, so I need to check that. Yeah, so that was my quick introduction to some tools I don't understand. What's happening here? Oh, still, wow. This one is tricky. Oh man. I love that. Okay, now it's all good. I need to check the temperature on the pan, so I think it's ready. I mean, probably I should see the bubbles on the pan instead of a sudden evaporation, but I'm super impatient, so I'm good with that. And I have some lid here, a silicone one. I don't like this one because I cannot see through this, so, and yeah, I'm a big fan of glass lids because you can see the content of your pan, but here you cannot. So, okay, so let's bring some burgers onto the pan, like that. Oh wow, they're like super delicate. Just so this is, I struggle with spatulas like this because, where's another one? I need another one. Because this one is like dirty with raw meat, but I need to flip burgers, so I need to wash it, I guess, because I have the only one. And I need to be careful with water splashes because I don't want to have any cross-contamination from the meat to the lettuce, so I don't know. So I think I'm going to wait like 3 minutes. What about the potatoes? So 12 minutes to go. But I'm super hungry, so maybe I just take one bread slice with butter and just eat it while waiting for food to be ready. But because what can you do while waiting, right? You just plenty of time. But you're hungry, so this is always a problem. So much of cutting carbs, huh? So this one looks easy and simple. You just need to grab the meat and check the temperature. But I need to double check for beef patties. Okay, I check. And it looks like it's 160 Fahrenheit for the patties to be ready. I also need to cover the pan with the lid to speed up the process, but probably it's not the way to do it. I was having mine to prepare something more ambitious, and then I'm super hungry, and the only thing I can do is a simple recipe, so I'm recording that. And I'm super curious about the state of the burger because the borders are like ready, but maybe not. Just cover this one and use another. Well, I don't have 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Okay, 8 minutes to go. One minute passed. Oh, that looks better, so 1 more minute. But this is like, oh wow, that's hot. That one is hot. Where's my glove? Oh, it's there. So I think for the next minute, I'm going to use that one. Oh wow, there's some silvery reflections here. Reflexes, sorry, not reflections. I do have some reflections, but reflexes. 7 minutes. I'm super curious about the French fries because this is the first time I use russet potatoes for them, I guess. In here, this is the first time recording russet potatoes. I don't have a good memory for recipes, really. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just guessing a lot. There's some rules. Of course, I follow the method cooking, I guess. But basically, oh, what was that? Oh, that was scary. Just, oh wow. Oh, that was so scary. My heart is like, oh wow. I'm super scared right now because of this one. Wow, wow. Oh, this is so strange with these big patties. I think I want to add, where's like, oh, this, where's the thermometer? Who's here? Oh no, oh, it's here. Look at this, the chameleon. So 170, right? That was the temperature for well done. Oh, this one is done. And this one is, I don't want to touch the pan. I'm trying to touch the beef patty with the temperature. Oh man, it's super hot here. The steam is like touching my hand. Okay, so what I'm going to do, this is so, what I'm doing right now, just adding more holes here. So it's almost ready, but this one's ready, right? What's happening? It was ready before, and now it's not. Maybe it's something wrong with this thermometer. Let me grab it one more time. No, something is wrong here. Let's check in Celsius. Oh, look, it's ready. So the one is ready. So I'm going to grab it. Oh, this is like dirt. Ah, let's use it. Maybe this one. So I'm going to take this out. Oh wow. Be careful with splashes of oil here. This one is stubborn. I cannot make it to 70. That's so strange for me. Maybe I place it here. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to place the remaining two. Let me check that one. Oh, whoa, that's like too close to the flame. I think it's ready for me, but I'm still checking. 64. Still 64. 62, 65. This is another one. I'm trying the thickest place. Thickest. And that's so strange. The temperature is dropping. Oh man, this is not happening. Just tell me it's not happening here. I guess I need to form this one more time. One more time. It's my first time because I bought the already formed beef patty. So this is like a very artisan one. I think I use some kind of hand meter to form it, to stick it together. I'm going to use 2 hands for that, because I can. But this is like, what was that? I think that's like, oh no, this is like potatoes, and I'm here with patties. One more. Oh no, I just realized I don't have that place to put it. It's so bad. So bad. Wait. So I'm going to place it like before, like that. Wait for me, wait. And just use for a minute, and oh no, I need something like to place it. You know, it's super hot. Maybe I'll just grab it here. Maybe something like, maybe I'll place it on that one. Oh, I just need to. I'm not okay. I think it's ready. They're ready. I'll just pop it. Okay. Whoa, that's super hot. I don't know why I used my hand. Oh, and or I just need to check the bigger one. This is the bigger one. Make sure I stop the oven. Where's stop? Okay, so cancel off. Whoa, again! Oh my god, there's some frustration going on here because okay, now it's ready. I just don't like to be hurt, especially by unlit pot. Oh man, what was that? Ah, okay, this one like okay, this what's happening here? I think I'm going to use it for tomorrow breakfast, like a part of scrambled eggs experience. And what was? And another 2 minutes. Oh man. Okay, so let's go and try it here. Let's start with I just realized I didn't cut the onions and potato, not potato, tomato for the burger. So this is the result. Oh man, I don't know what to say. I laid out all the ingredients and I was sure I prepared everything, and then I realized I don't have basic ingredients for the burger. Yeah, that's me. Where's the onion? I think I started to. No, this is like small. I started to think that maybe some people shouldn't cook like this. Find another field. I don't know. And I'm among these people, by the way. If you didn't get that. Oh, okay. So. Because life probably was the worst kind of idea to show people how to cook if you're struggling with basic recipes. I just don't remember anything. What was I going to do? I just not that side. Oh no. Okay, whatever. Try to do it like that. No, it's not safe. Okay, so whatever. I'm not going to have onion rings, half rings. That's good too. At this point, I think many finest cuts here. Okay. What about this is like scary to me again. Wow. This is the worst kind of lid I ever had. Oh man. I just need to check. I need to check the temperature here, and the temperature is. I think this one's ready because it's seen. It's ready, and this one's ready too. Sorry, this one's like red. I don't believe this one's ready. So I'm going to leave it like that. And just remove this one. Let me grab it. Ah, the plate. So maybe 1 more minute. But let's start with the wraps here. Oh, I just like to place the plate here. Okay, so I'm going to take the bigger wrap, place it here, and this one will be with mayo. Oh my god. Oh, I think I need some kind of knife to make it even like that. And tomato. Oh, I just wanted to add some avocado, but then it's like there's no time for that. Okay, so I'm going to just wrap it like that. And use another one, maybe like that. And that's it. That's my wrap. That's a wrap. And this one is for another one, and this one will be with this is a new one. Forget about it. I think I need to check the burger because you never know with the frying pan. Oh man, that's like too much. Oh man, that's like too much for me, but whatever. Just do it like that. Add some tomatoes too. Some onions here. Just wrap it like that. And this one goes on top. Maybe this one. Let's do it with that one on top. And here's another wrap. Okay, so this is. Let me check this little one. Oh, what's happening here? Okay, need to. It's not ready. Still not ready. So another minute, I guess. But it's like frustrating. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a new plate and just place this one here, like that. I just realized that I was done the unseasoned burgers. 65. Still more time. I think it's ready. So, this one is top, and place it here, and this is like super hot. I mean, this beef patty, so I'm going to use this spatula, place the patty, and it's some, oh man, just wrong side. I mean, everything's on the side here. Not on the side of the lettuce. So this one goes here. A little bit of onions, wrapping this one, and this is on top. So this is like another one. If you want to be super generous with the lettuce, you can add another one. And this is basically, this is it. Okay, that's great. I'm going to do that right now. Okay, so placing it here, and the last step is to just use this. It's not hot right now. Just perfect for consumption. This is like this. I think the amount is the same. Just place some ketchup here and here as well. And this is the result. It's not a portion and a big. It looks like the head of lettuce, but this is the recipe of my first burgers wrapped in lettuce. So thank you for watching and happy cooking.